Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Astragalus tea. This ancient herb is known for its wellness properties, and preparing it at home is quite simple. We'll cover everything from selecting the right root to brewing and enjoying your perfect cup. Get ready to learn a soothing and beneficial new skill that you can easily incorporate into your routine. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need dried Astragalus root slices, which are readily available. For a standard batch, measure out about 10 to 15 grams of the root. Then, prepare 2 to 3 cups of fresh, filtered water. Having everything ready before you start makes the brewing process smooth and enjoyable. It's a simple setup for a beneficial drink. Now, let's brew. Place your measured Astragalus root and the 2 to 3 cups of water into a non-reactive pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This slow simmer extracts the beneficial compounds. Finally, strain the tea to remove the root pieces before serving. Your Astragalus tea is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it warm for a comforting experience or chill it for a refreshing cold beverage. If you have any leftover tea, simply store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator. For the best taste and potency, try to consume your freshly brewed tea within 3 days. Sip and savor the goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.